Today we need these ingredients: kimchi, pork belly, onion, large green onion, spice soy paste, pepper powder, oil, sugar, sesame seeds. That's it. First, let's cut onion and the large green onion. This pan-fried dish is very simple. It is just vegetables and pork. Onion adds something crunchy and sweet. The kimchi is fermented napa cabbage, which is the bulk of the dish and adds some sour flavor. The pork and kimchi are an excellent combination. In Korean restaurants, you will see kimchi served as a side dish with barbecue pork belly. Here we'll fry the pork just like a barbecue and cut into bite-sized portions. Perilla oil is a great tasting oil that goes with meat and kimchi. Spicy pepper powder is used in many Korean dishes and adds to the hot flavor. Soy paste is important to complement the pork. Sugar and spicy hot is a great combination, but don't put too much unless you like the dish sweet. Like most Koreans, I love the taste of kimchi. I will save the extra juice and add later. Last, we add the kimchi juice and little water. Then simmer for 7 minutes and cover it. Add sesame seeds for garnish. And we are done. Enjoy!